Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel once again. I am Atanu Betal, and in this discussion you already know it that the discussion is about the polytechnic diploma degree after completing class 10th level education. After completing class 10th level education, you can complete your studies, or you can continue your studies in two possible ways. One is take science, arts, commerce, any of the stream in 11 12. In 11 12 you can take any of the stream: physics, chemistry, science, arts, commerce. Between these three things, three streams, you can select any one stream and complete your 11 12 level education, and after that you can opt for higher studies like BTech, BSc, or BBA, BCom, etc. And you have another possible opportunities for the technical student, the students who are opting for BTech in their career. So for those students who are likely to looking for the BTech degree in their career, that time they have two possible ways. One is already I told that in 11 12 level you can take 11 12 science, full 11 12 course in science, and after that you can complete the BTech degree. And the second option is, after passing class 10, you can also join in the diploma course polytechnic diploma engineering course. You can find a number of courses like computer engineering course, diploma course, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, electronics, and IT. These are just a number of names of the course, and you can find a huge number of course in the polytechnic level. So here the eligibility criteria is, you have to got 60%, you have to get 60% in the class 10th board, and your class 10th education should be with mathematics and science. So this one is the eligibility criteria. And for taking the admission in polytechnic colleges in India, you have to sit in entry level education, entry level exam. In each state there are the entry level exam for entering the polytechnic diploma course. And for that reason, after passing, or before passing class 10th level, you have to find that sites, and you have to collect the information that which polytechnic colleges, or college, or which university, or which test operating or exam of operating organization is operating the exam for exam that is generally required for the polytechnic admission. So you have to understand that which exams are generally important for the polytechnic admission in polytechnic engineering. And you have to notice this entry level examination. You have to fill up the form for this entry level examination. After that, you have to sit in that entry level examination, and once the result comes out and your ranking comes out, and according to ranking or that you are obtained in the entry level education, the counseling will be processed. And after counseling, according to your rank, the choice of colleges will be fulfilled. And after counseling, ending of counseling, you got a certain number of colleges that you are interested for to study these courses of polytechnic engineering. So you can do one thing, after counseling or before counseling, you also can contact with the polytechnic colleges that you know already, the polytechnic colleges that are in your area, or you have good knowledge about any polytechnic colleges, any polytechnic college, then you please go there and get the information that what are the admission processes for their colleges, and in that way you also can get admission in the polytechnic colleges. And some colleges also offered without entrance examination admission, without entrance level test, admission test examination. Some colleges are also there in our India. They do not take any admission test for the entry of the BTech courses, polytechnic diploma courses, and for that reason you can directly go to that colleges and you can take admission in that polytechnic colleges. Okay, another important thing is polytechnic. After passing the polytechnic 3 years, it is a 3 years diploma course, and after passing this diploma course, you can join in BE or BTech, BTech degree. Okay, in BTech and BE course, these students, means the students who are passed in polytechnic diploma 3 years, after completing the diploma course, student can join in the BTech program or BE program by lateral entry. And in the lateral entry, there in some major cases, in this case of lateral entry, you have to sit in an examination operated by different colleges where you like to study BE or BTech. So for this reason, in the lateral entry level, you have to sit in entry level examination. After that, you can you can enter in the second year of the BE and BTech course, and after that you can complete your BTech degree, and BTech degree in the respective technical field. And after completing your BTech degree, you can go for the further studies, or you can take jobs. Another important thing, after completing this polytechnic degree, means any stream, any course, after completing computer science engineering or mechanical engineering or civil engineering, in completing any of the stream, okay, you can also opt for the job. Directly you can go for job after completing the polytechnic diploma course. So, and it is a very good scope. I can say that this polytechnic diploma course is a very good scope for developing your career, because here your full career is in technical level. If you decided already that you want to be an engineer, or you want to work in the technical field, that time this BTech degree with a polytechnic diploma degree, giving your CV a higher ranking. So for this reason, this technical means diploma course, 3 years technical diploma course, can improve your CV more. So for that reason, if you can think about this polytechnic diploma course after passing class 10th level course, 10 standard education, or the 10th standard degree. You can also with polytechnic diploma, you can also think about the ITI course. And diploma courses are also offered in 1 year diploma course, or 2 years diploma course. In that case, the different opportunities are possible. Different opportunities are coming. If the number of years decreases, means 3 years to 1 year, 2 years, there are different opportunities for these polytechnic diploma degrees right today. So for this reason, this is the total picture of the polytechnic diploma course that you can understand. And after 10th pass or before 10th pass, you have to think about this world of polytechnic and world of diploma course in polytechnic or engineering and technical field polytechnic diploma course. So this is the discussion I wanted to make a presentation, that what are the scopes of diploma degrees, or without means going to the 11-12 level by science, arts, commerce stream, how you can go to the BTech, because after passing physics, chemistry, math, class 11-12, you also can directly go for the first year of BTech. But uh, without 11-12 studying in science, you can also join for this diploma course that I wanted to show. And another important thing is that all here you only see here the eligibility criteria is the 60% marks, and with math and science in your you are studying as a subject. So this is the eligibility criteria. So therefore most of the students are eligible for this type of polytechnic diploma degrees. So thank you for watching this video, and this is the presentation. If you want to know more about the scopes after 10, 12, and after completing the college degree, or after completing a professional degree, then subscribe this channel and see all the career related video from the career related playlist that I already made.